Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring all forms of one verb, go.
We'll cover go, went, gone, going, and goes.
Understanding all 5 forms makes using this verb automatic.
Go is one of the most common verbs in English.
By the end of this episode, you'll use all forms confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @Gloria Villacorta for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much @Gloria Villacorta. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand that go is an irregular verb.
It doesn't follow the regular ed pattern.
That's why it has special forms.
Let's explore each form one by one.
Form 1, go, base form.
This is the infinitive or base form.
Structure, subject plus go plus destination or place.
I go, you go, we go, they go.
When do we use go?
Use 1. Present simple with I, you, we, they.
I go to school every day. We go shopping on weekends.
Use 2. After modal verbs, can, will, should, must.
I can go. You should go. We will go. They must go.
Use 3. In infinitive form, to go.
I want to go. I need to go. I like to go.
Use 4. In imperatives, commands.
Go home. Go now. Go and check.
Form 2. Goes, third person singular.
This is for he, she, and it in present simple.
Structure, he, she, it, plus goes, plus destination.
He goes to work. She goes shopping. It goes well.
When do we use goes?
Only with he, she, it in present simple.
My brother goes to university. The bus goes to the city.
This is the ES form for present tense.
Very important to remember.
Form 3, went, past simple.
This is the past tense form.
Structure, subject plus went plus destination.
I went home. She went yesterday. They went last week.
When do we use went?
For completed actions in the past.
I went to Paris in 2020. He went to the store an hour ago.
Use with all subjects. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Went is the same for everyone in past tense.
Form 4. Gone, past participle.
This is the past participle form.
Structure, have or has plus gone plus destination.
I have gone. She has gone. They have gone.
When do we use gone?
Use 1 with have, has for present perfect.
He has gone to work. He left and is still there.
They have gone home. They left and are at home.
Use 2. To show someone is not here now.
She has gone to London. She's in London, not here.
Different from been, which means returned.
Form 5, going, present participle.
This is the ing form.
Structure, am, is, are, going, or going to.
I am going, she is going, they are going.
When do we use going?
Use 1. Present continuous, happening now.
I am going to the store right now. She is going home.
Use 2. Future with going to.
I am going to study tomorrow. We are going to travel next month.
Use 3. In progress or movement.
Where are you going? I'm going to the meeting.
The key differences.
Go equals base form for I, you, we, they, present, or after modals.
Goes equals only for he, she, it in present simple.
Went equals past tense for all subjects.
Gone equals past participle with have or has. The person is away.
Going equals ing form for continuous or future.
5 different forms, 5 different uses.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, Linda. Where do you usually go on weekends?
I go to the park to exercise. What about you?
I usually go hiking. My sister goes to the gym.
Nice. Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the beach. It was beautiful. Where did you go?
I went to visit my parents. I hadn't gone there in a month.
That's sweet. Have you gone to see them often this year?
Not as much as I should. They have gone on vacation twice, so I've missed them.
Where are they going next?
They're going to Spain next month. They've never gone there before.
Exciting. Are you going with them?
No, but I'm going to visit them when they get back.
Did you notice all 5 forms?
Where do you go? Base form, present simple.
I go to the park. Base form with I.
My sister goes to the gym. Goes with she.
Where did you go last weekend? Base form after did.
I went to the beach. Past simple.
Where did you go? Base form after did.
I went to visit. Past simple.
I hadn't gone there. Past participle with had.
Have you gone to see them? Past participle with have.
They have gone on vacation. Past participle, they're away.
Are they going next? Present continuous.
They're going to Spain. Future with going to.
They've never gone there. Past participle.
Are you going with them? Present continuous for future.
I'm going to visit them. Future with going to.
All 5 forms used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using go with he, she, it in present.
Wrong. He go to work. Correct. He goes to work.
Remember to add es for third person.
Mistake 2. Using went with did.
Wrong. Did you went there? Correct. Did you go there?
After did, use base form, not past.
Mistake 3. Using been when you mean gone.
Wrong. She has been to work, if she's still at work.
Correct. She has gone to work. She's there now.
Been equals went and returned. Gone equals went and still there.
Mistake 4. Forgetting ing in continuous.
Wrong. I am go home. Correct. I am going home.
Continuous needs ing form. Mistake 5. Using goes in past.
Wrong. Yesterday he goes there. Correct. Yesterday he went there.
Past tense is went, not goes. Negative forms.
Present. Don't, doesn't go.
I don't go. She doesn't go.
Past. Didn't go.
I didn't go. They didn't go.
Present perfect. Haven't, hasn't gone.
I haven't gone. He hasn't gone.
Continuous. Am not, isn't, aren't going.
I'm not going. She isn't going. Questions.
Present. Do, does, plus subject, plus go.
Do you go there? Does she go often?
Past. Did, plus subject, plus go.
Did you go yesterday? Did they go together?
Present perfect. Have, has, plus subject, plus gone.
Have you gone there? Has he gone home?
Continuous. Am, is, are, plus subject, plus going.
Are you going now? Is she going too? Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences using go in present simple.
Day 2. Write 10 sentences using goes with he, she, it.
Day 3. Write 10 sentences using went in past.
Day 4. Write 10 sentences using gone with have, has.
Day 5. Write 10 sentences using going for continuous or future.
Day 6. Practice all 5 forms in one story.
Day 7. Explain the 5 forms to another learner.
By week's end, you'll master this verb. Go with prepositions.
Go combines with many prepositions.
Go to, destination, I go to school.
Go for, purpose. I go for a walk.
Go on, continuing, go on vacation, go on a trip.
Go with accompaniment. I go with friends.
Go by, method. I go by bus, go by train.
Go through experience. I went through a difficult time.
Many phrasal verbs. Common expressions with go.
Let's go. Here we go. Go ahead.
Go for it. Go away. Go on.
How's it going? Where did it go? Time to go.
Natural expressions. Go versus come.
Important distinction.
Go equals movement away from here.
I'm going to the store, leaving this place.
Come equals movement toward here.
Come to my house, movement toward me.
Different directions. Been versus gone, crucial difference.
With present perfect.
I have been to Paris. I went and came back. I'm here.
I have gone to Paris. I went and I'm still there. Can't say this if you're here.
He has gone to work. He's at work now, not here.
He has been to work. He went to work and came back.
Very important distinction. Going to for future.
Very common future structure.
I am going to study. She is going to call. They are going to visit.
Shows plans or intentions.
Different from will, spontaneous decisions.
I'm going to equals planned. I will equals deciding now.
Go in phrasal verbs.
Many common phrasal verbs.
Go out equals leave to socialize.
I'm going out tonight. They went out for dinner.
Go back equals return.
I'm going back home. She went back to school.
Go up equals increase or ascend.
Prices are going up. We went up the stairs.
Go down equals decrease or descend.
The temperature is going down. I went down to the basement.
Go off equals explode, ring, or spoil.
The alarm went off. The milk has gone off.
Go over equals review.
Let's go over the plan. We went over the notes.
So many combinations. Pronunciation.
Go sounds like go, long O sound.
Goes sounds like goes.
Want sounds like went, short E.
Gone sounds like gone or gone.
Going sounds like going.
Practice the sounds. Time expressions.
Present, go, goes, every day, usually, always, often.
I go to work every day. She goes there often.
Past, went, yesterday, last week, ago.
I went yesterday. They went 2 days ago.
Present perfect, gone, already, just, yet.
He has already gone. She has just gone.
Continuous, going, now, right now, at the moment.
I'm going now. She's going right now. Comparing forms.
Same meaning, different times.
Present, I go to the gym. Habit.
Present continuous, I'm going to the gym, now or near future.
Past, I went to the gym. Yesterday.
Present perfect, I have gone to the gym, I'm there now.
Future. I'm going to go to the gym. Tomorrow.
All about the gym, different times.
More phrasal verbs with go.
Let's explore more combinations.
Go along means agree or accompany.
I'll go along with your idea. We went along with them.
Go ahead means proceed or continue.
Go ahead and start. She went ahead without us.
Go around means circulate or be enough.
There aren't enough cookies to go around. Rumors are going around.
Go through means experience or examine.
I went through a difficult period. Let's go through the documents.
Go without means manage without something.
I can't go without coffee. We went without electricity for days.
So many useful combinations.
Real life scenarios.
At school or work.
I go to class every Tuesday. She goes to meetings weekly.
I went to the conference yesterday. He has gone to the office.
I'm going to the library now.
Shopping and errands.
We go shopping on Saturdays. He goes to the supermarket alone.
I went to the store this morning. She has gone to the bank.
I'm going to the pharmacy later.
Social activities.
They go to parties often. She goes out every weekend.
We went to a concert last night. He has gone to the cinema.
Are you going to the event?
All situations covered.
Go in idiomatic expressions.
Common idioms.
Go the extra mile means do more than required.
She always goes the extra mile at work.
Go with the flow means adapt to circumstances.
Just go with the flow and see what happens.
Go bananas means become crazy or excited.
The crowd went bananas when the team scored.
Go downhill means deteriorate.
Things went downhill after he left.
Go out of your way means make special effort.
She went out of her way to help me.
Colorful expressions.
Tense consistency.
Keep tenses consistent in stories.
Yesterday, I went to the park. I went jogging. Then I went home.
All past. Consistent.
Every day, I go to work. I go by bus. Then I go to my desk.
All present. Consistent.
Don't mix randomly.
Emphasizing with go.
Adding emphasis.
I really need to go. I absolutely have to go.
She definitely went there. They actually went.
Adverbs add strength.
Go in different contexts.
Movement verbs.
Go, walk, run, drive, fly, all show movement.
But go is the most general.
I go by car means I drive. I go by plane means I fly.
Go works for all methods.
Reported speech.
How go changes.
Direct. I go there every day. Reported. He said he goes there every day.
Direct. I went yesterday. Reported. She said she went yesterday.
Tenses can shift in reported speech.
Conditional sentences.
Go in conditionals.
First conditional. If it rains, I won't go.
Second conditional. If I had time, I would go. Third conditional. If I had known, I would have gone.
All conditionals use go forms.
Understanding gone as adjective.
Sometimes gone means finished or no longer available.
The cookies are all gone, finished, eaten.
Summer is gone. Finished. Over.
He's long gone, left long ago.
Different meaning from movement.
Common mistakes review.
Let's review the most important mistakes.
Never, he go. Always, he goes. Present with he, she, it.
Never did you went. Always did you go. Base after did.
Never, I am go. Always, I am going. Continuous needs ing.
Never, she has been to work, if still there. She has gone to work.
These are critical. Memory tips.
How to remember the forms.
Think of the pattern. Go, goes, went, gone, going.
Present, go or goes. Past, went. Perfect, gone. Continuous, going.
5 forms of one irregular verb.
Go is irregular, doesn't follow ed pattern.
After did, use go, not went.
Goes needs es for he, she, it.
Been versus gone means returned versus still away.
Going to means future plans.
Learn phrasal verbs with go.
You now understand all 5 forms completely.
Go is one of the most important verbs in English.
Practice all forms in your daily conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Yesterday I blank to the park. Use went.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.